Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, you love a good cheeseburger, but what do you do with the leftovers? That's right, today I'm showing you 6 awesome ways to transform those leftover cheeseburgers into mouth-watering meals. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get cooking. First up, we've got cheeseburger salad. Yep, you heard me right. Take your leftover cheeseburgers and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Throw them onto a bed of mixed greens. Add 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, 1/2 cup of sliced red onions, 1/4 cup of pickles, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Drizzle with your favorite dressing and boom! You've got a hearty, delicious salad. Next, let's make cheeseburger stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off 4 bell peppers and scoop out the seeds. Fill them with 2 cups of crumbled cheeseburger, 1 cup of cooked rice, and a spoonful of salsa. Top with 1 cup of shredded cheese and bake for 25 minutes. Easy and tasty. Now, how about a cheeseburger pizza? Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Spread pizza dough on a baking sheet. Brush with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and bake for 8 minutes. Remove from the oven and top with 1 cup of crumbled cheeseburger, 1/2 cup of sliced onions, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. Bake for another 10 minutes until the cheese is all melty and golden. Slice it up and enjoy. Feeling like something warm and comforting? Try cheeseburger soup. In a large pot, saute 1 cup of diced onions and 1 cup of diced celery and 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 cups of diced potatoes, 2 cups of crumbled cheeseburgers, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then simmer until the potatoes are tender. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 cup of shredded cheese until it's all creamy and delicious. Perfect for a chilly day. If you're in the mood for some finger food, go for cheeseburger quesadillas. Heat a tortilla in a skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle with 1/2 cup of shredded cheese and 1/2 cup of crumbled cheeseburger. Top with another tortilla and cook until golden brown on both sides. Slice into wedges and serve with guacamole or salsa. So good. Last but not least, we've got cheeseburger mac and cheese. Cook 2 cups of your favorite pasta according to the package directions. In a separate pot, make a cheese sauce with 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of milk, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. Stir in 2 cups of crumbled cheeseburgers and the cooked pasta. Mix until everything is well coated and cheesy. Comfort food at its finest. There you have it. 6 incredible recipes to give your leftover cheeseburgers a second life. Let me know in the comments which one you'll try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious idea. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you next time.